So right here in Ocean Cebu Park is a really famous tourist destination. So I bought a ticket. It cost me around 700 pesos. So this is the entrance. You have to go from the park in the morning. Where can I put my bag of chips? They told me.
Beside ticketing.
Okay, because I have it's packed, but
So you will go.
okay. Can I go?
When you can go to reservation for your park.
That side, right? Right side. Okay. All right. So I'm carrying a bag of chips actually bought from 7-Eleven. So I have to keep that in the service area because any food or drinks I'm not allowed to carry inside. Even though if I didn't tell them, they wouldn't know. But I just told them because it was mentioned in case if they check my bag and they find it. Yeah, I don't want to lose that chips or bag. There we go. Excuse me, where can I keep my this?
Inside, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have to keep this.
Only that one, or including the bag?
I think whole bag is alright.
Okay. Just put in the pet locker. And do you have ID or passport?
I'm not carrying, but I have like online. I can show it on my phone.
Or
Digital copy. Yeah.
164 man lang. Ako na din. Yes, ma'am. They can. Morning, ma'am. Can you please your knowledge how much percent lang po ba na hindi mag-provide na okay naman? I'll get your ID now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
So got this pass. So I kept my bag. I actually kept everything. It was actually convenient for me to tell. So I just got my camera, phone, and that's all. I'm gonna take it back when I just come out of this place. All right. So got the ticket. Let's go inside. Let's see what's there.
Please forward. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. Okay. Gonna take pictures. Thank you. All right.
You can view this photo at third floor.
How can I get that?
The third floor.
Third floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Check your photo.
Okay. All right.
And I'm sir.
Where's the entrance? Oh, yeah. Took my photo. I don't know where to get it from, but let's see. It's a third floor. Is that the entrance? Why are there so many like chains and all? I'm not pretty sure. But anyway, if you see, this is more like bird spot or something. So continue. Oh, let's keep moving. I mean, worth visiting, I believe. Like, seems like a very nice zoo come aquarium. Yeah, so yeah, it's good. Yeah, a lot of fish here. See, that's aquarium. Different type of fish. I don't know. I don't know all the type of breed and fish. You know, I have no freaking idea, but yeah, it was good to see. Oh, let's keep moving. It's not pretty. No, we got big fish here. All right, let's see. Got big fish. Here we go. It's quite big, man. Quite big in size. I don't know what they call it. Is there any label or something? Yeah. Atlantic tar prawn, giant mottled eel, and then red-bellied pacu. Wow. Looks amazing. This one is quite big. This one is tar prawn. Atlantic tar prawn, yeah. That's the biggest one I've seen so far. Alright, let's go. So which way to go? I'm a bit confused. The two ways. I believe this side probably. Nah. I think I have to go to the left. Alright. Yeah, we got more fish here. Why the hell there's only one fish in this aquarium? No, there's no. Well, there are a lot of fish, but it seems like just only one fish. Alright. So, where to put a tortoise, but I haven't seen any tortoise here. Where is it? Oh no. Okay, let's see your fish. The sign fish. Until now I've seen. Oh, this one is quite big as well. Yeah, it's the same, I think, what we saw previously. Alright, let's keep going and see what else. People are taking pictures here. Mostly for couples, but I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture. Oh, man. Where can I get these pictures? Okay. So it's great that at every point they're taking pictures, and then they told me that I can get access to all the pictures on the third floor. Now I don't know if I can get the digital copy. Is it just for the view? Like if I go to the third floor, I'm gonna see all my picture, but I'm not sure if I can get really access to all that. It would be great if I get access to all the pictures so I can upload it later. Yeah, so that's okay. That's quite bigger, actually bigger than what I saw earlier. All right. I know it. Looks quite beautiful. This white fish is quite great. See, looks white. Anyway, let's keep going. So until now, just fish or aquarium. I think that's what it is about. I mean, I don't know. I think it's aquarium come sort of other things. No flash photography. Okay, I'm not taking any photos. Is that real? Are they chameleon or what? Looks like chameleon. No, iguana. Oh, sorry. These are iguanas. I get confused. Because chameleon are not so big. Right. That's right though. No flat photography, probably because if you take the flat photography, they're gonna get scared of the light. Let's keep going. Here another tiny fish. This probably, I mean, we have seen that. I've seen these tiny fish a lot of times. They're pretty common, but yeah, it looks quite beautiful, colorful fish. So there's tortoise. All right. African bullfrog. I don't see any frog. Is there any frog here? Where is it? It's inside. It's inside in a shell, so can't really see it clearly. Pretty dark here. So you can't really see me now, but you can only hear my voice. That's the snake. Is it python? Yeah, it's python with tattoos. Yeah, I've seen this snake a lot of times. It's pretty common. It looks quite dangerous, man. Like, suppose if it's outside, see it just sleeping, just moving a bit, but if you're outside, like, it's quite dangerous. There's another one. Yellow python's quite common. What? Hedgehog. Where is it? Oh, okay, sleeping here. The hedgehog, if you know, hedgehog has this spikes on their body, so it's cute. The same like porcupine, but porcupine has like really hard spikes. If you touch them, they're gonna like poke you all in your body and all. But hedgehog is a bit, spikes are a bit softer, so it's not gonna harm you in case if you touch it. It's Argentine red tegu. I don't know what kind of. Is it more like a small crocodile or not pretty sure. We've got snakes here. So yeah, mostly pythons and then different cone snake. Alright. And I don't know what's inside. Is there anything? Okay, it shows. What's the name of this? Yellow-headed water monitor. Wow, Baroness cumming. I think it's a sort of snake. But where, I don't really see it. Where is it? Is it hiding? Okay, it's there. It's there. It's not a snake. I think. Yeah, a kind of snake comes something like alligator or. Right. So there's an escalator. Let's go up. Let's go up. These are artificial tortoises. Okay. Seems like quite a big place, like a lot of things to see. So, I mean, you can actually take your time and explore things, you know, slowly and gradually. Just keep enjoying the view. Hello, good morning.
We have birds feeding outside, sir. Yes, sir.
Bird feeding?
Yes.
Okay. Is there, I need to take something? Like for food or something? Grains?
They will give you a cup, sir.
Okay.
Cups here.
Yep.
Go check inside.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, that's bird feeding. Oh, okay, lorry. Alright, got you. Where can I feed? This here?
Here.
Okay, let me.
If you want to feed,
Okay, so it's like you can feed birds. I have to buy this a couple of you know, food or grains. So it's like 100 pesos. So let me see. Like it's not much. Let me see if it's worth feeding birds. I mean, if there are a lot of birds, nice birds, I can feed them, but because I don't know how to feed them, they just like over the tree. So And even if you try to feed, like you have to throw the food and it's gonna go in vine. So yeah, Cebu Ocean Park, Lorry's property. Okay. But yeah, I don't think it's worth actually feeding because most of the birds are over the tree. So like, how are you gonna feed them? Like you have to throw the food upside, and it's gonna fall on the ground. So it's like waste of food. But nice birds anyway. Yeah, quite good. Quite similar to like Paris. Paris are like that, but Paris are like more greenish. Okay, so there are names of birds that you mentioned. This is coconut lorikeet, which I see here. Coconut lorikeet, black capped lorry. But I don't see any other word. Nicobar pigeon. Okay, I see that Nicobar pigeon here. Sancornu. Alright, I think I should get going. I don't think that it's worth visiting though. I mean, it's not worth feeding them. So, feeding the birds, just alright. So, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go upstairs. Another escalator. I'm almost on the third floor, technically. I mean, it's just one place, and so if you keep going up, like different levels and floors, you can see or explore different things.
Morning, sir. You can check your pictures there, sir.
Okay. I think they're gonna ask for payment to get the district.
Picture from the cave aquarium, sir.
Oh, right.
So there you have 4 pictures. So that's the first one. Second, third, or fourth.
I was just downstairs,
From
like in the
bench area.
yeah.
And also from the chain back. First, then sir, for the picture, there's additional maintenance. So what like that, it's 300 per picture. So printed and digital copy. You can download the printed, every printed picture. Then if you want to print,
So I can get digital copies of all that.
printed and digital copies. We do
Okay.
digital and so you would
So
like to get a copy.
how much is that?
300. So we have also wallet size, 4 copies. 4 copies, but it's just the same picture. Same so it's like that's
No, that's not good.
so we can get from here or from the wallet. Oh,
Which one is 8 by 10?
8 and this one here. Here one.
Ah, okay, that's probably alright. So do you stick that on the frame or what? Like,
So from for this picture, we have photo sleeve. It's a booklet,
Okay.
300. Then with frame, 600.
with frame is 600.
Yes, 600. And this one.
This one, right?
Yes.
So just for one picture.
One picture. Yes.
Okay. Alright. Good.
Yeah, that one's your oil frame and that one. That one.
Oh. It's one picture, right?
Yeah, one picture. So which picture?
So if I type this one, can I get like all digital pictures?
Every that only sir. Yes, one is the one.
It just one.
Yeah.
I can't get all the pictures.
Since provide QR and
Okay.
Better. So which picture? From this area.
Yeah, let's go, but get digital as well because
So everything you have the store. I think you are correct.
yeah, just one. Like I have to get.
So you like to get a copy from this area.
Okay, I can look at this.
Or this one.
Check third one. Third one. Yeah, this is okay.
Is it okay, sir? For the picture, we have like this Ocean Park logo.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. So it's gonna be like this one.
Yes, sir. Then you have also French magnet.
Okay.
Just this one, sir. Sir, it's 800. Just present this one. You have cashier everything. So just one copy 800.
Which one is that?
Yeah, like that.
Okay, so it's a frame additional.
Yeah, so you have oil frame and French magnet.
Okay, that's
Same picture.
okay. So since I have to spend 800 just for the oil frame, that's alright. Just one picture I'm gonna take. Okay.
Okay, sir, choose a design for your frame. You want a penguin, clownfish, or sand?
And that one is okay, not sand.
Sand.
No, not sand.
This one? Or
Is the same color? Is it the same color?
yeah, so
Okay, this one.
clownfish,
Yeah, that's
clownfish.
alright.
Sir, while waiting for the frame, just have a seat, sir. Let's keep this one here.
Pictures are actually fucking expensive with the ticket. It's fine, there's one thing. So actually the ticket I bought for 700, the picture cost me 800. Oh man, that's a lot of money. And it's nothing, just a digital picture because it's fucking just the frame. Acrylic oil frame just alone is 600. Damn. Alright, it's fine. I want to keep it as a memory. Expensive memory, I would say. That seems like okay. Can I take it later? My friend, I can take it later. Okay, let's go inside and I'm gonna take that photo frame later. Yeah, but I feel like I spent a lot on that. I could have done anything else. That's fine. Just one picture. So how much is 800 pesos USD? It's like 50 USD? Let me check. Peso to USD. Nah, it's not bad. 13 USD. Nah, okay. It's alright. So actually, I had this wrong, like a miscalculation in mind. I thought 1,000 pesos like 30, 40 USD. Because 1,000 pesos sounds like a lot, but it's not a lot. So it's just 18 USD, which is, I think, not bad at all. But it looks like a big currency. Like when you spend that amount of money and you feel like, oh, you fucking spent a lot, but if you convert it into, USD, other currencies, it's pretty normal. So, yeah, anyway, you see this, okay, you can go inside as well. This is exit area. Entrance. I'm gonna take photos of you. Clownfish. Okay, I'm gonna take photos later. Let me just go around, see if there are any other type of fish. So basically, it's aquarium, ocean park. Okay, so it's more or less like an aquarium. I thought there might be other things as well, but it's just aquarium. But I mean, it's worth it. Not bad at all. You can see different creatures, sea creatures, mostly fish, of course, snipe and all. Here. Okay. Yeah, it's not bad at all, but okay, there's something else here as well. There's the restaurant, bird show. Okay, this looks interesting. If there's any sort of bird show or feeding show, I'm gonna have a look on that. Alright, let me go back. So that's the crocodile. It's the biggest crocodile I've ever seen. Is it sleeping? It seems like it's dead, but it's sleeping actually. So this is the fish show. It's gonna start at 11 a.m. I'm still waiting. And just outside there was a fish spa, which means you just soak your feet into water with fish, and they're gonna eat something like your skin out of your feet. I don't know, like I've never tried that, but it's like it says for relaxing. It's gonna eat your calluses from your feet, like tiny by tiny. I don't know how it feels. So I asked them, are they gonna bite? Because if they're gonna bite, I've seen this case like on the internet that it has happened to someone, like somebody went for this, fish spa, like they soak their feet into water and they were fishing. And he got some sort of infection because of that. And I'm not sure why. Maybe the water is contaminated or the fish had some sort of thing. So yeah, but hopefully it will be all right. I mean, that's once in a while. Then maybe it's gone to some different place. But anyway, that's aquarium. Yeah, it's this part where it's more like a big and open aquarium. You can actually see through everything, which is great. We've done pictures here. Show. Fish are gonna be inside. Alright, here this side. That's it. So let's see here. Gift shop park exit. Jellyfish. Veterinary laboratory. Okay, let's go this side. What's here? It's like a eatery. You can eat here. Let's see if there's anything to eat. It looks quite expensive here. Anything you eat here is like over 300. Nothing less than 300. So quite expensive. Probably I'm gonna eat some other place. Okay. This is water laboratory. You can see here, like how they take care of the birds and then how they feed them. The videos playing. Fish show. Let me ask, where's the fish show? Probably gonna start here in this amphitheater. Bro. You still have time. Yeah, so let's eat something, let's grab something, still have time. I'm gonna see the fish show, then there's a bird show at 12. I think I'm gonna be here for another 2 hours because, well, of course, I've spent a lot of money coming here, so I should be watching all different types of show. Well, let's go, let's get going and let's grab something and then record any type of. So something interesting I found, and this is more like a penguin area. Now you can see it looks quite great, you know, like all lights, everything. Yeah, so okay, that's all. It's quite short. Probably it's just to take pictures. I'm gonna take some pictures. Let me ask someone who can. I don't see anyone here who can take my pictures. I'm gonna ask someone. What is that? Is that the restroom? Yeah, that's the restroom inside. Okay. Right. So let me find someone who can take my picture. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures and move to the next. Okay. Let me also go to this aquarium. Right. So it looks also great because a lot of lights and sort of, you know, different view all around. It's not see-through, there are lights inside, so it looks quite great. And these are actually jellyfish, if I'm not wrong. Yep. These are all jellyfish. Looks quite great. Wow, amazing. I want to come back here, take pictures, of course. I want to take pictures here with jellyfish, and then another place, the bright area. Okay, I think that's the end. Yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna go take pictures, grab some food. There's show at 11 and then 12 bird show, and then I'm gonna sit here, eat something. It's a nice menu. I'm gonna order the spicy salmon roll. So you can order each dish. It's gonna cost 90 pesos. So I'm gonna try that. But expensive, but that's fine. Of course, here is next to this aquarium, and this you can see here is gonna be a fish show where there's gonna be some divers later and just basically. Yeah, can I order spicy salmon rolls? Not available. Not available. Okay, just at 11. Okay, alright. I'll take some time. Anyway, go here. See the divers. Those are the divers. So amazing. I've got a lot of fish. Two divers. Welcome to Cebu Ocean Park. That's great. So there, this place called Fish Spa. It's like an open spa, and you can sit around. So I paid like 100 pesos, which is not bad, just to relax, because there's a bird show here at 12 o'clock, and it's almost 45 minutes left. So I'm gonna be sitting here, just soak my feet inside. Okay, let's sit here. Let's see how it feels. I mean, just like normal water, but the fish here. Okay, here we go. Let's see what they're gonna do to my feet. I'm a bit worried when they come to my feet. Oh fuck! I feel tickling sensation. Fuck yeah, man! It's fucking tickling. I'm a fuck. I feel that ticklish. Fuck, man! I feel like they might bite me, but they're not biting. But it's fucking. Oh fuck, man! Like when they started. Nibbing on my feet, I feel ticklish. I can't. Okay, let me try one more time. Let me see. Oh, see all the fish. Oh fuck! Oh my Jesus! Oh damn! There's a lot of fish. Oh fuck! I can't take it. It fuck. It's too much ticklish. That's right. I have to get used to that. I'm not. When they start nibbling on my feet, like I feel ticklish, I can't take it. Alright, anyway, let's see. Let's do it again. So now the bird show gonna start. I've already arrived here, so it's almost 12. I've got this a little snack, sort of chips and mojos, they call it, like potato chips. So I'm gonna eat that, and the bird show is gonna start soon. I've seen a lot of bird shows before, but I think it's almost the same. It's not much different, but yeah, since I've come here, spent money on ticket, why not? I should be watching, even if it's for some time. I'm gonna watch and then I will leave it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave later after this. It's already been almost 3 to 4 hours here. I came here around 9. Yeah, no, I think I arrived here at 9:30. Now it's almost 12, so like 2.5 hours. So yeah, 3 hours. Yeah, that's enough for me. I've already watched everything, so I think that's fine. Let's see. Still, the music is playing. I don't know when it's gonna start. That's called Mojo, the Filipino potato chip. I know. Barbecue flavor. I mean, of course, not good. I was eating fried things, but this is what I want in a while. I'm just traveling, so once I get back home, I'm gonna start eating gym immediately. Whatever weight I've gained in a few days, whatever fat I've put on, I'm gonna start hitting gym and try to be in the shape as I was in before. It's not too bad. In a couple of days, you're not gonna lose your shape, but yeah, just not too healthy. But it's fine. But I think it has started. Let's see. A lot of people. Very noise. Can't speak now. Alright, let's see.
Inside belongs to the hills. Although we are also masters of the land and seas. Running for animals, adventure so high in the air. Yes, online classes. And guys, you should get this. It's the first light to the sky, city by city, and go. It's the only city.
No breaking birds until now. What's happening? Alright, one is gonna start now. At any moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's not a show by welcoming our lovely singer, Nobody like it, so when you my call, so there's a good me, but
Show has started.
Crazy, you're both for today's show. Now for our next feature group, it's not just like any best friends, but sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? Now let's make new and as good. Now let's wait for our groups. Alright, there, this is blue. Alright, there, it's as good. Now today, it's a basketball game. But before I start this very battle, we divide you guys into two groups. Now all the boys, each of them blue, say, go blue, go blue. And all the girls, each of them
Also wearing blue.
go blue. And now, are you ready for the basketball game? Energy, are you guys ready? Now, groups ready. Trainers ready. Set. Go, Mr. Curtis, let's go. Over. Stay on over blue. Ball pencil. And blue meets this game. It's a dinosaur club. We're ready. Feel this team. Hey, what is it? Fire up! Anyone who wants to be a volunteer, just bring your name around volunteer. Yes, sir. Please come with us here. Anyone who wants to be with you, yes, sir. We need you are volunteer.
Alright.
Please stand with me.
Until now, just word.
Now, sir, once I enter the
Gonna be a long show after what?
please do not drop and move with your arms, okay? Now, sir, are you ready? Ready, last word. Good luck. Now it's on. Now our body ready. Now, breathe. Eyes over. Good. Tapos tuloy. As you can see, we're taking it almost. Now, sir. Just go over. Now, we will be somebody. What's next?